Okay, so for this lesson, I'm going to show you how to add and subtract real numbers using the number line model. Alright, so let's start off with an example. Let's say I have 2 plus 5. Okay, and I want to find out what that is equal to. Okay, so if we draw a number line, like so, indicate where 0 is, so 0 will be right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and you start off at the first number, which is 2. So you start here. So let's make a dot at 2. And essentially, you are going 5 units to the right because of the plus 5. Because of this plus 5 right here, you are hopping 5 units. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you end up at 7. So this is 7. So 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. But we all know that, I hope. Alright? Okay, let's take another example. Let's say we have -3 plus -7 in parentheses. Okay. Again, we'll draw a number line, and we'll make 0 somewhere over here, and we have to indicate where. So 1, 2, 3, -3 is, and you are going more negative, so you're going in this direction, right? You're going in this direction here because it's a plus -7. So let's mark off some more here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that should be enough. All right, so that's -3. This is 3, 4, 5, 6. This is -6, 7, 8, 9. This -7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, right? So let's make it a little bit darker. You can see. So that's -12. That's -9. And that's -6. And that's -3. Okay? And let's start off at -3. So oops. Do that one here. So we'll start off at -3. Okay, here's your dot, and we are going in this direction because it's a plus negative. So we're gonna hop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our final destination is at -10. Okay, it's -10 right there. Right? So the answer, so let's rewrite this, -3 plus a -7 is equal to -10. Now, what if we have two fractions that we're adding? So again, let's take a look at that. Let's say we have 1/2 plus, in parentheses, -2/5. Alright, and we want to find out what that is equal to. So here we have to find what's called the least common denominator, right? The LCD. So in this particular case, we have a 2 and a 5, right? here's the 2, here's the 5, and the least common denominator for the numbers 2 and 5 would be 10, right? The trick is to take the bigger number and keep adding the same amount to it until the smaller numbers can go into it evenly, right? So 5, can 2 go into 5? No, so you add 5 to the original 5, you get 10. Can 2 go into 10 evenly? Yes, so 10 is the LCD. Alright, so now we can change our fractions. So the 1/2. Okay, now I want to make the denominator 10, so I have to multiply this by 5 over 5. Right, so that gives me 5/10. Okay, so the 1/2 is now 5/10. And I'm going to do the same thing with the negative 2/5. So negative 2/5, I want to make the denominator 10, so I'm going to multiply this by 2 over 2. Right? So this becomes negative 4 over 10. Right? So let's rewrite our fractions here. So it's 5/10 plus, in parentheses, is the negative 4/10. Right? That's the negative 2/5. And now that you can add the two fractions, so it's 5. If you take the numerators, 5 plus a negative 4, so that's 1. And then obviously you don't add the denominator, so it's 1 over 10. So that's just 1/10.